What's up, guys? In a Tacoma, this center console lid, it won't stay shut. This little part's broke, the button part, so it just constantly pops up. Got myself a new one from the factory. Here's my part number, and basically it comes like this. Comes with the new lever part. So what we're gonna do is get these screws that go around this black panel. We're gonna get all these out. And then this one in the back right here. Okay, let's just put this piece over here for now. Now we're going to get these ones off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, once you have these out, you should be able to just remove this. Bam. And then now we just put the new one on in the reverse order. I'm not going to bore you with making you watch me put each screw in, but I'll put this right here. You keep this on top, and then just get these ones on first. Of course, line it up on here and then get it on. Alright, so I got these ones on. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's nice and good. So now I'm going to put this black cover back on right here. We'll just put it in and just line up the holes and then go ahead and put those screws in. Alright, so like that. Now it stays shut and it's working good. Perfect. Alright, any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you next video.